Yes, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm doing the next video of the beer blocks real quick. This one is called the Spiderman push-ups. I don't know if you heard about it, but the Spiderman push-ups, it works your core, it works your ab a little bit, because like as you're doing your push-ups, you wanna put your you wanna get your legs involved in the exercise. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Spiderman push-ups. You just do your regular push-ups, but at this time, you're gonna put your leg into it like this, just like that. It's called a Spiderman push-up, and it works your core, your abs, and your leg. So these are different type of variation you could do with the beer blocks, just like this. It's called a Spiderman push-ups, and you could do that with the beer block. So I just want to show you real quick um, what kind of exercise that you could do with the beer blocks. They really comes in handy. And like I said, I'm gonna put the description in the below in the on Amazon. Yeah, you can get them on Amazon for about $50 and stuff like that. And I did more videos about this beer blocks right here. So I'm put these videos on the screen so you go and check those out. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.